Meet Joe Average. Joe heard that $5 trillion a day trades in the Forex market. He figured that with that amount of money changing hands each day, he should at least be able to shore up his investment portfolio and outgain his traditional investments. So Joe bought an automated trading bot. He thought it was a steal, as he paid just a couple of $100 for a system that would automatically trade his account and make him a gazillionaire. Little did he know what he really bought was a lot of marketing hype. Once he started trading the robot on his real money account, bam! Another account blown to pieces. Next, he tried Forex signals. He purchased his signals package for $200 a month. What a bargain, right? Just sit back and let the professionals send the buy and sell signals and get rich. But because he was only part-time, he tended to miss the winning signals. Either he was asleep or at work when those signals were produced. By the time he saw the best signals, it was too late. Finally, he would get in on a signal at a better price than what the signal provider recommended. And wouldn't you know it, that would be the losing trade. Yet another blown account. Now, meet Sue Average. She took a different approach to her Forex trading and paid thousands to attend an online trading course to learn how to trade herself. She figured she would prefer to learn how to fish than to just be given a fish. She too fell prey to overzealous marketing. After thousands invested in the course, she started becoming cross-eyed, looking at all of the chart and chart indicators. Then she realised, between her career and family commitments, she really only had a couple of hours a day to trade. And the best time of day for her to trade was when it was the worst time of the day to trade the markets. After investing thousands in the course with nothing but losses and frustrations to show for it, she was just about to throw in the towel. Then, in a last-ditched effort, Joe and Sue ran across a site just like this. Instead of making wild claims of become a millionaire in the Forex next week, they were prompted to gain access to a portal where they would be introduced to a professionally managed account. This was a way to put their trading on autopilot by having a team of live traders making the actual trade decisions. All they had to do was open and fund their account and, if profitable, collect those profits. However, before they ever committed the first cent to the account, by registering their portals, they got a conceptual understanding of the style of trades that are undertaken by the system. They were able to follow a live trading account where they could view winners and losers even before deciding to deploy their hard-earned capital. Once inside, they also received periodic video updates to keep them in the know about what is going on in the trading account. You'll get those same updates when you become a portal subscriber. A training inside the portal even revealed one of the most closely guarded secrets in the entire Forex industry. The revelation of this underground method could add hundreds to thousands or even more to your trading account. So, like Joe and Sue, let's review what you will get when you claim your portal today. You will discover the trading style of this professionally managed service, where your autopiloted trading account is manned by real traders. You will be able to follow a live trading account. Follow along for as little or as much time as you need to feel comfortable opening your own autopiloted, professionally managed trading account. You will receive periodic video updates to keep you abreast of how the account is performing. This will provide a level of accountability and transparency that this industry is sorely lacking. And don't forget the training that will expose one of the Forex's most hush-hush secrets. Shh! Your knowledge and application of what is taught in this classified module could add hundreds, thousands, or even more to your trading account. Now, all you have to do is click below and register your portal. Once your portal is registered, you will gain immediate access to all of the information that was just mentioned. If you're ready to experience hyper growth in the Forex, register your portal and we'll see you on the inside.